is equal to, the 2 is just along for the ride. What's the derivative of sine?
Cosine.
And what do you do initially with everything in the middle? Leave it the same. And then what do you multiply by? The derivative of the inside. Derivative of 3x plus tangent x. Correct. So you end up with 2 cosine 3x plus tan x, right?
Yep.
3 plus what? Secant squared x. All done. That's it. No more. You're all set. 0 plus, well, you do the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, but it's e to the 4t plus t to the 7th times the derivative of what? 4t plus t to the 7th. That's what's being thrown into that function. So it's equal to e to the 4t plus t to the 7th, and I'll scroll this down, sorry, times what? 4 plus
7t to the 6th.
Yes, done. That's it. All done. All done, all done, all done, all done, all done. No. So what's the final answer going to be? It's going to be negative 10y plus 3y squared all over what? 1 minus 5y squared plus y cubed. So the key to this is something I didn't show you yesterday, but you could have looked it up. The derivative of ln is 1 over x.
Do you have to use the chain rule?
Yes, you have to use the chain. No, you mean you do want to? Yes, you have to use the chain rule in this one. There is no product here. There is no multiplication going on right now. There is no. There is no multiplication going on right here. There is none. That is the natural log of that function.
Okay, yeah, it makes sense.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so let's talk about the next one. That's fine. There is a trig function in here, and this looks like it's complicated, but again, is it really? Not really, no. As long as you know what? ln, that's true, and you need to know your trig derivatives. And algebra, yes. The whole, like, you need to be able to walk across the street to get here. That's correct. So, v prime of x is equal to 1 over sine x minus cotangent x times, what's the derivative of sine? Cosine x minus, what's the derivative of cotangent?
Negative cosecant. No, it's tangent.
What is it?
No, that's right.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Who agrees with that? You do? Okay. So what's that going to be? It's going to end up being cosine x plus cosecant squared x all over what? Sine x minus cotangent. And you leave it like this. If you had to go any further, is there a chance that that simplifies nicely? There's a chance. If I just ask you for the derivative, do I want you to go any further? No, I really don't want you to go any further. What do you think of this one? This one's just tricky because you have to be careful. Are those 6's in the same place? These 6's are not in the same place. This is the important, most common mistake right there. Sine to the 6th. So here we go. So what's the derivative of ln? Yep, so 1 over sine times, what's the derivative of sine? Cosine x minus, what do you drop down to the front? 10 x to the 4th minus 3x to the, what do you multiply by? Minus 3. And this you can clean up a little bit. Please actually clean this up. So this is going to be, what's cosine over sine? Cotangent x minus 10 times 4x squared minus 3 times,
Right to the 9.
I rearranged it. Sorry, I wrote that up higher. I shouldn't have. There it is, right there. And 17 you want to see, just as a bonus? Sure.
I just have a question about that.
Go ahead.
I understand